This is the V11 drone. Let's see what we got here. All right, this looks good. Silicone bag, a nice little case that looks like a pair of blue jeans. Let's see what we got in here. Look at that. Extra propellers, cables, more cables. Now for the exciting part. There it is. We have our controller. Oh yeah, look, the joysticks are stored right there. Looks like it's where we will use our phone to pilot the drone. Oh, we use these to change the angle of the camera, and looks like that gives us a zoom in and zoom out. That's interesting. Extra battery, and the drone itself. That comes, oh, there's that, covers our camera. And looks like those fold out, landing pads, and we have us a drone. So I've installed the app, got everything kind of hooked up really quick on here. Your SD card goes in this little slot right here, up to 128 gigabytes. It's a little bigger than it looked in the photos. Got our little camera, and these lights blink different colors based on the status of the drone. So let's go into, gives you a guide, order replacement parts, you can call for help. Go to the controls. All right, it's going to ask for geomagnetic horror calibration. Spin that around. Spin that around. And then set it down. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like we have a little GPS thing here in the bottom corner. Here's kind of our settings, our flight mode settings. Image follow, GPS follow, interest point, little orbit. Music, not sure what that means. VR, I guess you can play with VR goggles. Lens angle, you can change the tilt and the tip. Gesture photos, you do a gesture, you'll take a photo. Gesture record, it'll stop and start recording if you're just looking at it. Route rules, filter and zoom. The little home button, it'll return home. Buttons down here, you push this physical button, it'll take a photo. I like physical buttons. You push this physical button, it'll start recording video. This little physical button right here returns home, and this button right here, you can change its flight mode. If we're going to go from sport to camera or normal, we'll just leave it normal. We can also do the same thing up here. Push this button, it'll take a photo. This button to record video. You can look back at what's on the camera, and then up in here is our menus. Beginner mode, how far we'll let it go, how high we'll let it go. If we want to set up our track mode, our footprint, max mileage, all of our adjustments, we can change the fine tuning of whatever. So that's how it operates. Seems pretty straightforward to me. The real question is, what's going to be the quality of the video? It's a 4K HDR camera. Let's go out and fly it, and I'll let you judge for yourself how good the video quality is. I'm putting it back in its case, put the little joysticks back in here, charges right there, and it goes. Fold the drone back up. That's how it folds up. Extra protection things to hold things in place. Protection for the camera. That's how it folds up nice and small. It's like it goes in with the front of the camera facing backwards. And like that. So there you go. The V11 4K HDR camera.